Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we'll see few data type of Hive. Okay.
सर विनय गुड मॉर्निंग सर विनय है।
Yeah, Hive. In it.
सर 5 मिनट दोगे, थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया, 5 मिनट।
And they are not joining Chandana and Ayush.
Sir, I'm there.
Oh,
Ayush joined now.
What happened, Chandana?
Sir was just telling that we're not there.
so Ayush, Vinay, Chandana, clear, right? How to load data from HDFS and local.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let me share my screen.
Sir, when will you share Linux, Hadoop, PDFs, and this notes that big
Today,
data theory
today
that you're teaching?
by UD.
Okay, sir. Fine. Today is the last day, sir.
Yeah,
We are doing any practicals today?
yeah, we'll do. See, basically, what is Hive? Okay. Chandana, can you read this one?
Yeah. Hive is a data warehouse infrastructure tool to process structured data in Hadoop. It resides on top of Hadoop to summarize big data and makes querying and analyzing easy. Prerequisites: database concepts of SQL, Hadoop, file system, and any of Linux operating system flavors.
Yeah. So basically, Hive is not a relation database. Okay. Hive is not designed for online transactional processing. So what do you mean by OLTP? Any idea? What do you mean by OLTP? OLAP? So there are basically two terms, OLAP and OLTP. So what is basically OLTP? So OLTP nothing, just it will deal with all, it will deal with analytical type of processing. For example, batch processing, historical data, it will work on all historical data. So what do you mean by historical data? Means old data, means last year, 10 years before data, means 20 years. It's all the past data it will work. And OLAP means, hello?
Yeah, OLAP for real-time data.
No, sorry, it was opposite. OLTP means online transaction processing, and OLAP means analytical processing. OLAP means it will work on historical data, and OLTP means it will work on real-time data. Real-time data means, for example, suppose you went to ATM, and in your account you are having around near to 5,000, and you deposit, you withdrawn some, for example, one K you have withdrawn. So that time what will happen is within fraction of second you will get one message, right? And same thing will be reflected in your account that 1K deducted. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
So that is known as near to real time. Suppose you are watching live cricket match. Okay. So you can see, right? Whatever going there, same thing we can see in our home. So that is real data. Share market. So that is also real. So whatever amount they it is to go up and down, same thing we see. So that is real time. So Hive is not meant for real time data. It will work only for analytical. processing, means all the past data, because in Hive update and delete is disabled. Update and insert is disabled. Okay, we can't update the data in between. After loading in the data, if you want to update the data, you can't, because update function is not there in Hive. Clear? Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. See, in Hive, basically what will happen? So this is interface, means command line interface where is to type all the command. It will send to driver will send to compiler, then finally it will fetch the metadata, and if everything fine, it will send back all the requests to execution engine. Execution engine will convert a query to map reduce, and finally it will fetch the data and it will give you the output. So there are multiple type of data types in here. So like teeny int, small int, big int, float, double decimal. If you are using some date and all, so you can use timestamp and date. For string, I told right, string we can use varchar also, we can use character also, we can use. Apart from this, there are three more things, complex type, which is known as array, map, and struct. So what do you mean by array? Any idea?
Like a list of elements.
List of
List of
element,
data.
similar element.
Okay.
Yeah, list of similar elements.
Suppose similar element means homogeneous. Suppose you are passing integer, then all the elements should be integer only. If you're passing some different, it should be, for example, a string, then all the elements should be string only. Suppose you are having three column, okay, date, state, and the temperature. Suppose. So here, what I am doing, I am creating one table with three column. Date, table, temperature. First column name is date. Second column name is city, and third is my temperature. Row format denominator field terminated by slash, everything is common. So here, how much you have created? Three column, right? But if you see the data here,
सर स्लैश टी के साथ क्या होगा?
वो हम बाद में बताएंगे, पहले समझो हम.
Sir, fields terminated by comma or pipeline, right? Why is it
No,
slash? Lines is terminated by slash.
field terminated by, see, slash to means tab. You can give multiple anything, whatever you want. You can give your name also. Whatever, that only you need to. For here, if you are seeing this data set, there is one gap. Gap means tab. Tab separated. Okay. Your data can be separated with anything. Estimation, at the rate, hash mark, dollar, percentage, whatever you can. But same thing you need to pass here. Just remember something else. So here your data is separated by tab. So that's why we are given tab here. See, first column is date, right?
Yes, sir.
Second column, city, right? And third column is temperature. See, but inside temperature we are having multiple value. It's not a single value. For example, date we have single value. City also we have single value. But for temperature we have multiple value. 1, 2, 3, like this. So if inside one column, if you are having multiple value of similar type, so see here all are integer, right? Float. So we can assume that this is nothing, just an array. We can pass array. Because if you are giving string, if you are giving, for example, integer, it will accommodate only one. It can't accommodate all. So after giving array only, it can accommodate each and everything. So that's why we are given my temperature array, and inside the array, what will be your data type? Double, because it's dot. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Row forward delimiter, field terminated by tab, and collection item terminated by comma you have to give, because see, we need to share the system that how our table is being separated data for array. So here our array is separated by comma. See, 23.2 comma, this like this comma.
Yes, sir.
So that's why we need to give information. So now you can, if you see this describe temperature, you can see the format. And if you want to call temperature first, for example, if you want to read only this one, first one, 23.2. So how we read? You have to give it like this. Select city, my temperature 0. Index you have to pass. So in array, index you start from 0. So first element if you want to read, then you need to give 0, followed by 1, 2, 3. Clear? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
She will do one practical here, then it will be clear.
Indexing starts from 0.
Yeah. See, suppose we are having all the data set inside array. For example, if you see, if you open this one, so see here, I'm having this type of data set.
Sir, increase your font size.
Okay. See here, how many column is there? Can you tell me?
4.
4 column. ID, array, company name, and language. So first one, what we are given? ID as integer, right? Means single value. Name as array means in name we will pass multiple value and that value will be string type. Clear?
Sir, so isn't there anything like minimum, maximum in array? Like,
No.
no. So it will take you how much of values you give, it will take.
Yeah.
So in that array, it will be separated by comma or only spaces?
So whatever you are giving, same thing you need to pass here. Collection item terminated by dollar. So if your element is separated by dollar, then you need to pass dollar. If it's separated by comma, you need to give comma. If
So
your
we can separate it from any symbol.
any symbol, same thing you need to pass.
Okay. ये
So
चीज
here,
SQL में भी applied होता है.
Hive में.
my
Hive में
SQL doesn't have this. So,
SQL
Okay.
में सिर्फ
sir,
comma रहता है.
bolo.
Sir, so collection item here is only array, right?
Array, yeah,
Only. Okay, so your specific collection item. Fields is the columns. The
column.
records separate. Okay, okay.
Okay. So here company name I have told is string, nothing was single value, right? And language we are saying array means multiple value, and the value will be integer, sorry, string type. So that's why we have given a string. If the value is integer, then we will pass integer. Okay. So if you see the data, see you are having value like this. See what will, so your field is terminated by comma means all the field will be terminated by comma. First it will look for one field, so it will see first. So it will see this is a single value. What is the value? ID integer. So this one value will go inside ID. Now it will search for second. So here it will see, yeah, this is a value. This is a total value of second column. But it will see it it is array. So in array it is string. Then it will understand that there is some multiple value, and it will go to here collection item terminated by dollars. It will see dollar means there are two value. So it will assign this two value to array. So again it will search for third one. Again it will see company name single value, and last it will see language. It's also array. So there are three value, and it will assign directly here. Clear everyone? So loading process is same here. So load data local. So just I will give this part. And what is my file name? If you don't know how to give copy, means just open WinCP, just double click here. It will open. Just copy this one. No need to type manually, and just select everything. Which file? This file I want to load into table employee array. Now just do select
So
start.
the syntax in Hive is case sensitive, sir.
Yeah,
So everything should be in capital.
not whatever you're defining, same thing you have to define here.
No, 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 no. I'm asking that create table, all those
No, no,
identifiers.
no, no,
It's
no,
not
no, no,
case sensitive,
no,
right?
no. That one is not. So just include this table name.
Okay, only table name. Okay.
Yeah. See, if you do like this, see, you will see all the data here, right? See, is single value. So the value which is in array, it is showing inside one array. So for example, I want to fetch second one. How will fetch? Select this one name, right? Name. Names. I want to fetch only first value, 0. 1 plus. It will fetch and it will give you the value.
So when there is thousands of data, how will they know indexing and all, sir?
Indexing you have to give. For example, so if you are, so this is normal one process they are given. If you want to access, you can access like this. It's not like the in company will use this only. Thus they have given on features that to fetch one single record. Okay. If you give name without this, it will fetch everything.
Could you please give more clarity on the indexing? Could you just go up, sir?
There is no index only. See, in array, the
You have,
position is known as index position. Index position we used to say. So for example, see,
sir, wait, let me make my
okay,
doubt clear.
yes, if this is nothing. So what we have defined is nothing but an array. Okay.
अरे हम
Acha,
So
in the array, suppose English is 0, Kannada is 1, and Telugu is 2.
true, yeah.
Okay, like that. So for name, if it's only 0, then it's showing Naveen and Praveen. The second part, that is the one part, P and N is not showing up.
No, see Naveen is one part, okay?
Hmm.
0 position. And PN is second one.
So that's not showing up because you specified only 0.
Yeah,
Okay.
that it will fetch only one. If I want to fetch all, so just I will not give any index position. Just will give
So
name. So
that
it will
index position is applicable only for collection items, right?
yeah.
Okay, that's what I was confused.
Can you try this one? Data set already I have said. So just open example. Model 05 example complex data type. Just try this one array.
Yesterday you had shared, sir.
No, long back only. One zip file I have said, right? Just open that one.
There were 2 to 3 you had shared.
See, model you have seen. Model is there 0506
Yeah, in the 05 or 06.
05.
Okay.
जीरो फाइव में कौन सा फाइल था सर? तीन है इसमें, एग्जाम्पल 1, एग्जाम्पल 2, कॉम्प्लेक्स डेटा टाइप्स.
Complex data type. On the array, you will get the script inside this one. Some clear?
नहीं सर, मेरा क्लियर तो नहीं हुआ है, बट ट्राई करते हैं.
Create table statement manually execute करना है ना sir?
Manually, no need to do copy paste.
Okay.
और अरे वाला सिर्फ फाइल कॉपी होगा या फोल्डर पूरा?
फाइल कॉपी करो या फोल्डर करो तुम्हारा मन, बट सेम पाथ देना है. ओके.
Sir, complex data types में script.txt. Yes.
अरे फाइल डॉट CSV.
Array file.csv. Okay.
बना लिए टेबल सर।
तो उसको डेटा लोड कर दो। विनीसीपी से इसको फाइल ट्रांसफर करना, ठीक है? जस्ट आफ्टर ट्रांसफरिंग द फाइल जस्ट लोड द डेटा।
लोड कर दिए सर।
लोड हो गया तुम्हारा? जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट क्यों किया?
हाँ
कॉपी पेस्ट करके किया ना?
हाँ हाँ, कॉपी फ्रॉम लोकल।
नहीं, जो टेबल तुम क्रिएट किया है तो वो कॉपी पेस्ट करके है। हम बोले मैनुअली बनाने हैं, ऐड करने हैं।
नहीं समझे सर, क्या बोल रहे हैं?
जो क्रिएट टेबल जो तुम लिखो अपना हाथ से लिखो कि कॉपी किया है, राइट क्लिक करके कॉपी, फिर वहां जाके डायरेक्टली पेस्ट कर दिया।
कॉपी किए सर।
तो मना किया था ना, कॉपी करोगे तो हमको कुछ नहीं है, तुम्ही को भी इन फ्यूचर डाउट आएगा।
आप अच्छा टाइप करने बोल रहे हो, ठीक है कर लेगा। ऐसे तो टेबल बन चुका है सर।
टाइप करके फिर क्रिएट करो। चंदना,
हाँ सर,
कंप्लीटेड?
just typing the last sentence.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। या